Today we're kind of having like an open house, basically a celebration for our first class for the EMR class here at Martin County High School, just celebrating their success. It started off fast and a lot of unknowns, obviously, because we were setting up the program. We were trying to make sure we had everything right. And finally, by November, they were itching to get on the rescues, and I was like, okay, it's coming, we're going to get there. And in November, they got out there, and they've been doing rides. They've been doing over 40 hours of ride times, and it's been a great year. If you look at the overall for Florida, it's only 23% pass rate. So we are almost double, if not more, what the rate is right now.
I wanted to go into the EMR class because I wanted to be a firefighter when I grew up, and I thought EMR was going to be a good start to it, and it was a great start because we did ride-along. So we were in the hospital, and then we were looking at the patients, and then we learned CPR, and we did a lot of like breathing and airway, so it was a good way to start. Felt like I was in the middle of the action. They had me do some stuff like hands-on.
Get the cones out!
But when I was watching them take care of these people, I was like I've never seen that before. So I was really inspired. I mean, they were just there to make their day better.
This is another option for them, and this is something that they can get started on a job even right now. There's just so many opportunities, and there will continue to be opportunities here in Martin County and even the surrounding area. And we hope to be that spearhead in the area and kind of like, hey, we will give you those future firefighter medics or in medical personnel and EMS for the future here in the Treasure Coast.
Next, hopefully I'll enter EMT and I'll become an EMT, and then after that I'm going to start fire school and then become a firefighter.